people here. There's a guy behind the tree who gets shot on.
Got him.
No. I got it, one. You got that one on the left, boys? Yeah, he's got that. Come on, watch that left, mate. Yes, got another one, 7. Go, yeah?
There's one just here.
One still right at the back. I want to make a move to the middle if I can pass. Right, you watching that left? Yeah, you got me there. There he is, right at the back.
There's one.
Where's that? We call it a sniper.
There's one right by your fucking left, man.
Right, see that tree? Behind the tree on the left side. Oh, yeah. I'm got mine.
Got the one on the left hand side.
Right, where's that sniper? Do you see the guy behind the tree? You come down this angle, you get it?
Yeah, Sam, 2 seconds.
Yeah. Cool.
What, dead ahead? You can come if you want a bit. You can come up over a milk. Come up over. Right, to move to that main building, yeah? One of our geezers are in there. Fuck off, man. I've eaten fucking bear. Not going out now. No, I just fucking sat on the tree like a fucking lemon. Fucking hell. I'd like to move up on you. I'll get through and get some ammo too. Go for it. There's a lot of bugs there now, aren't there?
Watch the left hand side, boys. Watch your left.
Where? Yeah, beyond the trees down. Stay there, Milt, you're alright.
I'll move to him.
Yeah, go for it, go for it, go, 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 go. Come on, boys, push them up. They're coming down the track. We're pretty clear, to be fair. They're fucking surrounded.
Push up, boys, push up.
Left down the track.
Got him in this side.
Left down the track, they're coming down.
Left, left, left.
I don't think they can get out their spawn. They can't get out their spawn.
They're that way.
Left down the track.
Yeah, he's coming round the back, round the left.
Fuck, I'm out.
Jay. 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 You right. I can't get him from here. Dave, hold cover. Lads, left. Oh, it's Martin, isn't it? It's Martin.
Has Blue give up? No, fucking ain't, they ain't coming out.
There's one here behind this barricade we can't. Metal barricade on the left hand side.
He ain't moving. He's fucking laid down or something.
Yeah, I got rolled up, man. There were 6 of them in the start though, and I shot all of them. Fucking one went out. Pissed me off.
Do you know what, mate? Honestly, the work terrible.
He's got sniper and shit up there, I wasn't.
Not today, Andrew. Not to fucking die. They're pushing up the track on the left. One's coming in, Blue one. Front. Sorry, bro, didn't get him in time.